Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our comparison video of Philodendron versus Pothos. Watch till the end to know our verdict on which plant is better. So the main difference between the Philodendron and Pothos is their leaf shape and texture. Pothos leaves are large, waxy, thick, and rugged, while Philodendron leaves are softer and thinner, giving them a delicate and refined look. Therefore, Pothos is better because its thick and waxy leaves make it more durable and resistant to environmental stress. Maintenance. Pothos prefers bright, indirect light indoors but can also thrive in low-light areas outside. It is more drought-tolerant and prefers higher temperatures. On the other hand, Philodendron requires bright, indirect light and slightly higher humidity. Therefore, Pothos is better as it thrives in more challenging conditions. Aerial roots. Pothos plants grow one large, thick aerial root per node where petals and leaves attach to the stems. In contrast, Philodendron's aerial roots are several per node and thinner, giving the plant a delicate climb. Therefore, Pothos is better as its single, sturdy aerial root is more secure and enables rapid climbing. New leaves growth. When a new leaf emerges in a philodendron, it is enclosed in a protective sheath called a cataphyll, which securely wraps the new leaf. Once the leaf matures, the cataphyll dries up and sheds, leaving a beautifully unfurled leaf. In contrast, the Pothos leaves unfurl directly without such protective covering. Therefore, the philodendron is better as it has a cataphyll that protects new leaves until they mature. The table shows that the Pothos is better because it requires balanced fertilizer and doesn't consume much water. In contrast, philodendrons require regular watering and nitrogen fertilizers. Additionally, Pothos is easier to propagate than Philodendron. Similarities. Pothos and Philodendrons are both low-maintenance plants with climbing abilities and air-purifying qualities that filter indoor toxins, contributing to healthier surroundings. Verdict. So, which one is better? While both plants have unique strengths, Pothos is better due to its rapid growth, hardy nature, and bold aesthetic, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned plant enthusiasts. So if you're looking for a resilient and durable houseplant, consider Pothos. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel. Also, let us know which other comparisons you would like to see next from us.